I use this paintbrush to do a lot of my exterior trim and just some touch-up stuff. And it's cheap. It's an old one, but I've always wondered if you can use paint stripper to clean that. And I've seen all kinds of stuff that they use to clean up, but I've never seen anyone on YouTube do with paint stripper. So what I've got is some citrus strip, and I'm going to put that on there, and let's see if that cleans it up overnight. Okay, I just got some citrus strip, and I'm going to put that on there. Oops, let me shake that up. It's been a while since that's been opened. Let's try that again. I don't know if this is damaged to bristles or what, but we're going to find out. Okay, that should keep it moist until the morning. Let's see what that does. Well, this has been sitting overnight. Let's see what's become of this. Okay, well, it definitely looks like it's softened up the paint. Let's see what it does when we rinse it off. Okay, something I did notice is that the paint was definitely soft. I thought it would just rinse off, but it doesn't. You have to still kind of mechanically scrape it off. Well, boys and girls, I'm going to call that a win. The dirty part on there is that's a dirty steel brush that I use, brass brush, but I got the paint off, and now I can use some regular paint thinner to remove the rest of it. But yeah, it worked. Well, here's the end result. This did work. Cheap brush. I just wanted to know. I've never seen anybody on there use a paint stripper on a paintbrush. And I don't know if it'll ruin a good brush or not, but this old brush that I've been using, it took that stubborn paint off. I put a little alcohol on it to clean it up a little bit more, and that's what you get. So, just another thing you could probably put in your tool bag. I don't know what professional painters will think about that, but for us little home dudes that are just trying to get through, it worked for me.